Do you like breathing a clean air? Then you have to keep the rainforest important because rainforest makes the clean air. Rainforest is a forest that experiences a high level of rainfall. Rainforest is called the lung of the earth because it produces a lot of oxygen. 80% of plants are in rainforest, which is not found in other places. 80% of food we eat comes from rainforest. But rainforest is endangered.
3 billion trees get cut down every year. Forest used to cover 14% of the world, but now it only covers 3% of the world. So it means less trees that can provide a lot of oxygen. If we still keep on cutting down trees, in 40 years all of the trees will get cut down.
But there are some ways you can save the rainforest. We can tell other people about the importance of rainforest. Encourage people to live in a way that doesn't hurt the environment. Don't buy things you're going to throw away quickly. You can save the rainforest now.